Welcome everybody, Roy here from Yago Yoga. So day 12 of the 30-day breath awareness challenge. How did you get on yesterday with the gliding? Did you do it well? Was it challenging? Was it easy? Did you find that tone in your lungs and just find yourself softening into it? And then did you find yourself softening into the space? Softening into the flow? Softening into the peaceful completion? And how did it go on the inhale? How did it go on the exhale? Which one was easier for you? We're both easy. Normally one is a little bit easier than the other at the start. Okay, so again, any questions, pop them in below and we'll give you a little bit of feedback. But now today, what's the challenge for today? Okay, so now we're moving more into the pause. And there's a reason why we're doing that. Is because the pause is going to open us up to the difference between our breath moving and our life force, our energy moving. And in the pause, you'll be able to recognize the difference between moving of the breath and moving of the energy. But to do that, we actually need to stay in the pause a little longer and heighten our awareness. So that's the challenge for today. Today is glide like you were. And as you glide into the pause, it's like the bird. It's like the bird gliding in the sky. And then there's just this moment when you come to the pause and the glide is sublime. And what I mean by that is that there's just a beautiful moment of effortlessness. And as you come into the pause, there is that beautiful moment of effortlessness because you're naturally in the tone of your breath, but at the same time, your breath has come to a pause. And in that, there's a beautiful moment of calmness. It's a beautiful moment of a sense of stillness at a consciousness level. So what happens is that it concentrates your awareness, and you're going to notice that it heightens your awareness. You get a greater sense of presence within your breath. And that's your challenge for today. Notice as you glide into the pause, stay in it for a couple of moments longer, and then notice as you stay in it those couple of moments longer, that your sense of awareness heightens. Even your sense of presence within that awareness, your consciousness within it heightens. It's like the light just gets turned up a little bit more. Your consciousness radiates a little bit more in the pause. Now once you feel that, once you recognize that, sense that, again roll on. But again, 10 times a day is good. 20 times a day is super. 30 times a day is amazing. Okay? And just getting into it. And again, please subscribe if you like this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe. If you've got questions, put them down below. If you want notifications, click the bell. And again, have a great day and I will see you for the next challenge. Thank you.